I found 7 high probable trade opportunities for the upcoming week. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another WMA video, Weekly Market Analysis. As of every weekend, on Sundays I analyze the whole market for you, including Forex pairs, oil, metals and cryptos, and after 6 days on the next Saturday or Sunday, together we check the results. But first, do you guys really know what's the difference between our team and the others? Exactly, we're real traders. Alright guys, I don't want to waste your time right now. Let's go on the chart and check all those opportunities out. Let's go. Alrighty guys, moving on to CADCHF daily chart. A couple of weeks ago I showed you that we got this daily purple and blue channels, and plus this Elliott pattern, Elliott's waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and a probable 5. So moving on lower time frames on 4 hour. As you remember, it was here. We got this move, guys. You can see it on previous videos. The trend line was broken, a pullback was made, it went up, and right now here we are. You can see that we had another static area, another tiny static area after the pullback to this one. On 1 hour, we can see that the static area is broken, and we can start looking for long trades after a possible pullback to this area. The next pair this week is NZDCHF. We can see this beautiful 4-hour channel plus this static area. My point of view on this is that this move was a correction, was a pullback to this static area. And let's see, how much was it? It came right to 62% retracement. So it seems like the correction is done, and this was just a pullback. It's not the change of the trend, and it's gonna go up, touch the top line of the channel. But in case everything was failed, you can still look for short trades after the breakout of this channel and a probable pullback. Moving on EURAUD, we can see that we got this static area plus this trend line. So it's like GBP NZDCHF GBP AUD last week. It's the similar situation. You have to wait to see if the static area was broken, which it seems like it's gonna be broken based on our past experiences. And then after a possible pullback, you can start looking for short trades, or it might be a double bottom, and you can start looking for long trades after this trend line's breakout. Moving on NZDUSD, we've got these two static areas. This static area was broken. This move looks like a range, it looks like a correction, and all I'm saying is that it's gonna go up from here. In two scenarios. It might go up from here after touching this static area, or it's gonna make a pullback to this previous static area and then go up. Another euro this week is EURUSD. We can see this beautiful opening diagonal, plus this nice static area, which we had a couple of reactions to it here. And as I told you last week, we had this dynamic trend line which was broken, a pullback was made, and right now you can start looking for short trades after this little trend line's breakout. And all I'm saying is that it may gonna come down, but for more confirmations, wait for this trend line to be broken. So another euro this week is EURJPY. As you remember, last week it was here that I told you if this static area was broken, you can start looking for long trades. Gave it really good gain. And now here we are, this trend line, this huge trend line, and this static area were both broken. So you can start looking for long trades after, I think, a possible pullback to this area, the static and dynamic areas. But there's a possibility that it's gonna go up right from here, but all the scenarios are bullish and I don't see any bearish scenarios. Alrighty, here we are on oil's 4-hour chart. We got this move, which looks like we had a nice reactions to 62% retracement of this move. It seems like a correction, plus this trend line was broken, and we have these two static areas, which we had a couple of reactions by this candle to this static area. It seems like it's gonna come down, but in case it didn't, and this move was not a correction, you can start looking for long trades after this static areas breakout. Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. We've got tons of opportunities for the upcoming week, but and I know that we had 6 successful weeks together, but don't let it fool you. Take care of your risk management, because risk management is everything. It's the only thing you need to survive in this market. And always risk about 1 or 2% on each trade, so that you're guaranteed that you're not gonna screw up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, like, comment, and let's go make some fucking money.